India, the land of diversity and culture, is one of the oldest civilizations in the world. With a rich history and diverse population, India is home to a wide range of cultures, religions, and languages. India's cities are a vibrant mix of modernity and tradition. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the ancient temples of Varanasi, there's something for everyone in India. Food is an integral part of Indian culture, with each region boasting its own unique cuisine. From spicy curries to sweet desserts, Indian food is a treat for the taste buds. India is also home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks and monuments, including the Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world. India's diverse natural beauty is breathtaking, from the beaches of Goa to the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas. And with over 500 wildlife sanctuaries and national parks, India is a nature lover's paradise.
But what truly makes India special is its people. Despite the many challenges they face, Indians are known for their hospitality, resilience, and sense of community. But what truly makes India special is its people. Despite the many challenges they face, Indians are known for their hospitality, resilience, and sense of community. Thank you for watching this video on India, the land of diversity and culture. We hope you've enjoyed exploring India's vibrant cities, delicious food, iconic landmarks, and diverse natural beauty. If you're planning a trip to India, make sure to do your research and respect the local customs and traditions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And as always, keep exploring the world and discovering new cultures.